Hello everyone, welcome to the ichimokucharts.com daily analysis for gold for Thursday, April the 7th, 2011. Well, the market's failed to continue the trend to the upside today. In bar chart terms, we have an inside day, which is a day with a lower high but a higher low. And that's where the range of the bar today is within the range of the previous day. It's a day of indecision, and that's basically because we were previously in an uptrend and the bulls weren't strong enough to take out the high of the previous day to continue the trend to the upside. Also, the bears were not strong enough to take out the low, so that's what creates the indecision. Lack of strength from the bulls and lack of strength from the bears. Now, having said that, however, the trend is to the upside, and the previous trend that was in force remains in force until we have evidence otherwise. So the trend remains to the upside, and that's very important for this market. So there is a good chance that the trend will continue to the upside. However, the indecision does raise some doubt. And this is a special type of indecisive candle. It's a doji type candle, and they're very strong candles that have the possibility to change the trend. And that's because we have the open and the close at the same area within the middle of the candle, usually, and it denotes neither side, the bulls nor the bears, making net bullish nor bearish progress on the day between the open and the close. We also have the shadow on the top and the bottom, which represents the buyers losing commitment when the shadow is on the top and the sellers losing commitment with the shadow on the bottom. So very, very indecisive trading day. This is also a potential Japanese candlestick harami bearish reversal pattern, and it's a harami cross, and that's the strongest type of harami reversal pattern that we can have, and that's where we have an uptrend and the body of the current candle engulfed by the body of the previous candle. In this case, where the current candle is a doji type candle, it just adds that little bit extra to the harami type pattern, so there is strong potential for a change of trend to the downside. So when we say potential for a change of trend, we do mean that we need confirmation, and sometimes the market can be set up to change trend, but it doesn't. We do require confirmation for a change of trend, and that would be a candle with a lower high and a lower low. And unless we have that, then there's no confirmation of that change of trend. So that's important. So it makes the current low of this candle at 1453.70 very important. Now, if we do have a change of trend, we have very solid support down below, and we have a zone of support extending from 1448 down to 1440, and that's where the Tenkan-sen is trading at the moment, so that reinforces the 1440 level as well. If the market does come off and it closes down below there or trades down below, then there is a chance that we will find support down at the Kijun-sen, which is at 1425, and down below there, a very strong level around 1410, where we saw strong buying coming in, as evidenced by the shadows on the bottom of all of these candles, which coincided with the area that the Kijun-sen was at previously. Below there we have potential strong support down at the top of the cloud, which is at 1396 and extending down through to roughly 1375. To the upside, obviously we have resistance now extending up to the previous high around 1470. And we can see on these two occasions the market has sold off, and the buyers have lost commitment as the market tested up around that region. So very important for this market, this roughly 1471 previous high. So over the next trading day, we do need to watch the low of the current candle, but certainly watch up around 1470 for any potential continuation of the trend to the upside.